Markets await a big surprise from the Federal Reserve. Hello and welcome to a new episode of IXCast, the podcast where you hear the real story behind the market. This week, the focus is on the Federal Reserve. A possible surprise decision could change the path of the US dollar, gold, and Asian currencies. After Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole, markets turned cautious. His softer tone raised expectations for interest rate cuts in the coming months. That put pressure on the dollar index and pushed investors toward gold and European currencies. On social media, two main opinions are spreading. One group insists a Fed pivot is coming and sees rate cuts as certain. The other warns that the Fed has not fully shifted its policy. This conflict has made the market more volatile, and trading algorithms are using it to create fast, short-term moves. Market makers are also active in liquidity zones. The USD-JPY pair has stayed between 147 and 148. If it breaks above 148 and holds, the move toward 151 becomes likely. If the dollar weakens, support levels at 145.85 and 144.80 could attract strong liquidity. The Chinese yuan is another key story. Short positions have increased, showing less confidence in China's economy and adding pressure on Asian currencies. Looking ahead, three things will guide the market this week. The first is the US PCE inflation data, which can shape the direction of the dollar. The second is the USD-JPY pair, with 148 as the deciding level. The third is the Chinese yuan, where more selling pressure could trigger further declines across Asia. This week, markets will respond strongly to both economic data and the actions of market makers. Stay with IXCast to remain one step ahead of the market.